Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. My name is Paul and today we have an 8-minute core workout. 4 different exercises, 1 minute each, down back to back to back to back, 1 minute break, and then one more time through. It's as simple as that today, on paper. Before we get going guys, however, don't forget, get that phone out, scroll to the subscription button, hit that, do me a favor, leave a comment down below, leave a like if you like the workout. All the workouts are filmed right here from the basement, and all workouts do come out every Monday and every Thursday for over 4 years now. So let's not waste any more time. Give me 2 seconds to set up and we'll get going. All right, welcome back. We'll get started in about 15 seconds. Remember, these workouts are also workouts for me. This is not just some influencer trying to make you hurt. I am working out with you. So first, we're starting off with the windmill. Get your dumbbells, legs up, and twist those legs towards the dumbbell. I want you to hit that dumbbell. Down, up, down, and up. Come on, keep going. I'm gonna find myself walking over towards that wall. One minute each exercise. We'll take a quick 5-second break between the exercises just to reset. Because like I said, pretty soon I'm going to be out of the camera. Now next time, make sure I start farther back. All right, now we're doing the cross sit-up. So, let's get going. Sit up and bring the leg up. Boom, 1, 2, 3. Hopefully the sound is a little bit better today. I hung the microphone a little lower on my shirt so my double chin doesn't hit it. Keep it up. 30 seconds left. Ten seconds. Last one. All right, take a few second break. Now we're just gonna stand with dumbbells, sit with a dumbbell up in the air. 1 minute, just like everything else. Just hold it. Less than 30 seconds left. Keep it up. I'm using 12-pound dumbbells. Three, 2, 1. Dumbbells down. Now we're going for hip twist towards the ceiling. Support your lower back. And let's go 1 and twist on the way up. 2. All the way towards the ceiling. Get those butts up off the ground. Woo. Like I said, my workout, your workout. Doesn't mean I'm gonna make all the way through. I'm gonna do the best that I can, however. So work with me. 30 seconds left. Legs never hit the ground. That's all I got. All right, we'll take a minute reprieve. I'm gonna stay on the ground for a while, I think. Whew. How you guys doing? That was a tough one for me. Hope you made it all the way through. If you didn't, I just hope you did the best that you could. Got a feeling round number 2, it's gonna be a rough one for me, but we'll get through it. I just gotta make sure I start the first exercise a little farther back so I don't walk towards the camera too much. I actually walked my ass into the wall on that one. All right, got 20 seconds left. Same thing, guys. Second round, all the way through. Get those dumbbells positioned. Remember, swing those knees over towards the dumbbells. We're getting started soon. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. We got 4 minutes in us. Bring those knees over towards the dumbbell. Come on. $30 seconds left. I am crab crawling again. 15 seconds. Keep it up. And that's it. Woo. All right. Sit-ups. Get ready, let's go. 1. Yeah, these are going much slower. Taking a little break, just trying not to have the sound completely screwed up during this workout. All right, keep it up, 30 seconds. Two, 1. All right, grab those dumbbells. We're going for our sit. Dumbbells up. 1 minute. Stay right here, guys. Stay with me. Best that you can. Just hold it. Looking good, looking good. 40 seconds left. 30. Keep it up. $15 seconds, guys. Hold it. It's shaky. I'm shaking. My legs are shaking. My upper body is shaking. Everything's shaking. 10 seconds left. Keep it up. Keep it up. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, last exercise. Woo. 2, 1. Let's go. Get those hips up off the ground and twist. And twist. And twist. Woo. Don't let those legs hit the ground. And twist up on the way up. Little hip twist. As much as you can. Work with me. Come on. 30 seconds. 20. Keep it up. That's it. Well, that was it, guys. I told you my workouts are your workouts, and hopefully vice versa. We don't mess around here at Fit After 50. Thank you for joining me today for this nearly impossible core workout for me. I hope you had a great time. I hope you're feeling it. Better yet, I hope you feel it tomorrow. Don't forget, workouts Mondays, Thursdays. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Give me a like, and I'll see you guys during next workout.